Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about our weekly swing trading routine that I do every single Sunday. I do this to ensure I know what's going on with the stocks I'm holding, stocks with opportunity, and I just always imagine like the week ahead, like preparing for like a sports game, like a football game. You got to know what's going on with your offense, your defense, the team you're playing, the market conditions. So that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video, showing you guys our weekly swing, our trading routine. I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school. It's fantastic. We offer private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. But, more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. And you guys can use code beginner to get 50% off. Only one spot left for that code. So use it, sign up. I'll see you guys in there. And guys, let's jump into this. So this is one of the most important things traders need to do is to go into the week ahead with some sort of game plan. If you guys imagine a doctor, do you think a doctor goes into a surgery without a game plan? No. And that's a very, very successful career. Do you think a professional sports team goes into a game without the proper offense, defense? No, they're gonna have a game plan, and that's what you need to have as traders. And this is why you hear those statistics of 85% of traders fail and 15% succeed. Well, yeah, it makes sense because 85% of traders don't want to put in the time. They don't want to plan for the week ahead. They think it's an easy way to get rich quick, and trading is very difficult, but you got to treat it like any other job, career, doctor, lawyer, engineer. It takes years of practice and hard work before you even see results. So let's turn to the computer and see our trading routine. All right, so the first thing that I do here is I'm actually going to look at stocks that I'm holding. Stocks that I'm holding here is very important to understand what's going on with the position you're in on. We took a light trade on Google before the market closed on Friday. The reason why is because the stock sold off about 9% in a single market trading session. Now, a sell-off for me, I never get fearful of sell-off. On top of that, it was trading for a 33 on the RSI. Last time it was trading for that was back in here where we saw good buying pressure. So I had pretty good confidence we could see a nice rebound. Now, if it doesn't rebound, I'm very, very confident that if it sells off more, we could average down our cost. And, if it sells off down to 174, we could invest a little bit more there. So our average cost would be like 180. And I also know that this could take some time to recover. But more importantly, Google's a very, very blue chip stock with hundreds of billions of dollars in cash. So if we go through a recession, they can continue to pay and invest inside the company. And it's just it's a very, very good company. And so we took a little trade on it. If it recovers in the next couple of weeks, that's great. If it takes a little bit longer, that's fine as well. Looking at this, yes, we do have this little bit of that downward trend there, but it did get some huge sell-off because of that earnings. So we're just taking advantage of that sell-off here. Now, the next thing that I do here is look at stocks with opportunity. Looking at stocks with opportunity is like planning your trades ahead. So with ZBRA, this stock here looks really, really good. Has heavy support here on that red line, which is that 200-day moving average line. And given that you can see this huge wick right here, this represents buying pressure. So we know there's buyers in this range right here. Let's go ahead and draw that out. So we know there's buyers in here. So now here, what we could do is enter. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's remove the EMA lines and kind of try to plan out some of our trades. So that's kind of the trend that I see right now. So I'll throw an alert, above here at like 380 and see if we can get a push going up higher. But this one here does look pretty good. And yeah, we could do a light trade on it, on that 200-day moving average line. And then if it starts to break out, that could be another confirmation to start using a little bit more money. Then we got VRT, very similar thing here. As we look at the hourly time frame, it did form this nice trend here. So, hypothetically, we could enter at 120, keep our stops very tight at like 116, risk $4 for a push up to, let's go ahead and plan it out here. So, we keep our, stops at near and around like 115, 116 for a possible push up to high or resistance at 156. That's a 5.9 risk and reward, which is astonishing. That's really, really good. It's on that nice trend line. So we have a lot of supports in with this position. We have the trends, we have the moving average line, so we could get some nice buying pressure out of this. Definitely one to leave on watch. Now, good entry point if it kind of comes down and taps like 119, could be a good entry. TT here has this general downward trend here, as you guys can see. The breakout that I would look for is like at 360. So what I would do is just throw an alert there. It's always better to just throw an alert so you're ready than not have one. PayPal is very similar to like Google, like blue chip stock. Obviously Google has better metrics, better fundamentals, but just saw that huge sell off due to bad earnings. And this is trading on that 200-day moving average line. So it's like a C plus setup. It's undervalued on the RSI, 200-day moving average line. The issue with stuff like this, though, even with Google, that does have me concerned, is it's below these moving average lines. So there's going to be some resistance there. But for me, right now, we'll just move on. This one here, PKG here, and I do apologize if I do sound stuffed up. Haven't been feeling the greatest over the past couple of days since I've gotten back on my trip. Honestly, I have felt really bad. But 213 here, that would be the breakout I would look for. And you can see that we just keep moving these down and down and down, waiting in preparation for that breakout. All right, so with this one here, LNG here, that I really, really like, paid a nice dividend, 50 cents. But my entry point right now would be on that first push up above the 219 area, where we push up above the high of the previous day at 219. That's the thought process I had with this one. And the reason why is because there's no real set trend, as you guys can see. So I'd want to capture momentum on the 90-day moving average line. But yeah, LNG here does look really, really good. Then we have IP here. IP is another good one here. Move from like 56 to 60. The thing that does concern me is this long wick right here that represents selling pressure. But we do have this new trend forming like this. So that general downward trend, huge breakout. We got a little touchdown on that 200-day moving average line. So there could be a move from like 56 to 60. All right, a couple more here. We have CRK here, they do look good. This one here, 50-day moving average play. If not the 50, the 90, this one here would be a breakout play in my opinion, as you guys can see here. Good there. Would want to get in at like $18 to $19 in that range. Then we have BHE, very similar approach here. 200-day moving average play. You can see here where it kind of consolidates here. That's not ideal for what we want to look for, but one of the things that does seem pretty promising is we could start seeing a breakout in the next couple of days here. Let's go ahead and draw this out here. So something above here at like 42 would be pretty interesting here. So that's the thought process I had, and that's my weekly swing trading routine. What I do is I look at the stocks we're holding, I'll look at stocks with opportunity, and I'll just start planning out my entries. And I do apologize again because I do sound stuffed up, but hope you guys all enjoyed it. Check out our school. And everybody asks what broker I use. The broker I use is Moomoo, so make sure you guys check them out. You guys can get up to 20 free stock just by signing up. So click that link, sign up, and we'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.